Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix Locket Widget not working on your iPhone. Now if you are facing the problem of Locket Widget app not working on your iPhone, then there may be several reasons behind it, and here are some few of it, and this is also the video for solving it. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi. So scroll from the very top right hand side and see if your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if you are not connected to any of it, then you won't be able to start the Locket Widget app. And if you are still connected and it doesn't work, then simply turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds, and after turning on the airplane mode, it helps you to reset all the network settings and also helps you fix the bugs or errors on the network which you are using. So after that, you may simply go back on your app store and you may simply search the Locket Widget app. So click on the option of search at the very bottom right and see if there is any update available. So if there is any update available of the Locket Widget app, make sure to update it and keep it up to the latest version available. And after doing all of it, you must simply try to open the Locket Widget app and check if that is working or not. So if that is working, that's good. If that is not working, you must simply open settings on a device and click on the option of general, and under general you'll see the option of about, software update, and iPhone storage. So click on the option of iPhone storage. So in this section you'll be able to find all the apps and things which you have installed on your iPhone. So scroll down until you see the option of Locket Widget. So here you'll see the option of Locket like this. So in this page you just need to click on the option of offload app, which is highlighted on blue, and you'll also see the option of delete app. So click on the option of offload app and click on the option of offload. So by doing all of it, it will help you to fix all the bugs or errors of the app, and also helps you to keep some space on your apps, and after doing all of it, it runs smoothly on a device. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.